In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a dashboard in Clickup in just 5 minutes. So whether you're a seasoned Clickup user or just starting out, sharing a dashboard is a straightforward process, and I'm here to guide you through each step. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Clickup website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the URL of Clickup. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the Login button prominently displayed at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be presented with several options to log in. To make it convenient, let's use the Continue with Google option. Clicking on this will prompt you to select or sign in to your Google account. Choose the account you'd like to use and log in if prompted. This way, you're seamlessly connected to your Clickup workspace without having to enter any additional credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to proceed to your dashboard space. Look at the taskbar to navigate through your spaces and find the dashboard you wish to share. Click on the relevant dashboard to open it. On the top right corner of your screen, there's a Share button. This is your gateway to easily sharing your current dashboard with others. Click on it to reveal the sharing options available to you. The next crucial step is to copy the link for your dashboard. Within the sharing menu, you'll find an option labeled Copy Link. Click on that, and just like that, you've got your dashboard link copied to your clipboard, ready to share it with your team, collaborators, or anyone else you wish to have access to your data. Now that you have the link, you can paste it into an email, a message, or any communication tool of your choice, allowing others to access your dashboard with ease. This makes collaboration on projects smoother and ensures that everyone involved has the necessary insights and information at their fingertips. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to share a dashboard in Clickup. Remember, sharing is the key to productive teamwork, making these steps incredibly valuable for those looking to enhance collaboration within Clickup. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance with Clickup or any other queries. Enjoy sharing your dashboards and enhancing your project management workflow.